In this video, I'll show you how to create mailing labels in Google Docs. The easiest way to make mailing labels in Google Docs is by using a label add-on from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Google's own support community points users to extensions, then add-ons, then get add-ons to find label tools. And popular current options include Avery Label Merge and Labelmaker. These tools are designed to work with Google Docs and Google Sheets, so you can create labels from a mailing list instead of typing each one manually. First, prepare your address list in Google Sheets. Put each part of the address in clear column headers like first name, last name, street, city, state, and zip code. Add-ons like Avery Label Merge and Labelmaker use the first row as field names for the merge, so having clean column headers is important before you start. Next, open a new Google Doc. Then go to Extensions, choose Add-ons, and click Get Add-ons. Search for a label tool such as Avery Label Merge or Labelmaker, then install it and allow the permissions it needs. Both marketplace listings describe these add-ons as tools for creating and printing labels from Google Docs and Google Sheets. After the add-on is installed, open it from the Extensions menu. Then choose the Google Sheet that contains your mailing list. The add-on will pull in your column names as merge fields, which lets you build each label using your spreadsheet data. Avery's own help page says you can import data from Google Sheets for this step. Now select the label template that matches your label paper. For example, if you are using an Avery product, choose the exact Avery template number so the labels line up correctly when printed. The label add-ons provide template pickers for standard label sizes, and Labelmaker says it supports thousands of compatible templates. Once the template is selected, add your merge fields into the label layout. For a normal address label, that usually means arranging the recipient name on one line, the street on the next line, and the city, state, and zip code below that. Then run the merge. The add-on generates a Google Docs label sheet filled with the address data from your spreadsheet, ready for review and printing. Before printing, check the layout carefully. Make sure the text fits inside each label and that the spacing looks right. Then use File, then Print to print the labels. If your alignment is slightly off, it usually means the wrong label template was selected or the printer settings need adjusting. So always test on plain paper first before using your actual label sheets. That test first step is a practical best practice, even though the exact printer behavior depends on your setup. So the full process is simple. Create your address list in Google Sheets. Install a mailing label add-on from extensions greater than add-ons greater than get add-ons. Connect your spreadsheet, choose the correct label template, merge the fields, review the label sheet, and print it. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.